Mm.
I don't think you ever really listened.
Mm.
You just heard me. I was calling late nights, you were letting it ring. Said you needed space for space, turning everything. I was fighting for us, you were letting it go. Funny how you love me, but you never let it show. I gave you my trust, every piece, every scar. You said I was enough, now I don't know who you are. All the words you said got me stuck in my head. Now I'm laying in the silence where your voice used to live. I was holding on tight, you were slipping away. Every I love you just faded to gray. Tell me, was it real or just something you felt for a moment, then left me to deal with myself?
Now I'm talking to walls, yeah, they hear me more than you ever did when I needed you before. I was breaking inside, you were fine on your own. Now I'm learning how to stand, even when I feel alone. I hear you now, but it's too late to fix. You gave me your heart, I was scared of it. I didn't know how to love you right, so I let you go. Yeah, I lost that fight. You call my name, I feel that pain, but we won't ever be the same again. I see your tears through every line. I hear you now,
But you're no longer mine. You say you hear me now, where were you before? When I was drowning, slowly lying on the floor. I was screaming in silence, you were out with your friends, posting like you happy while I'm breaking again. I ain't perfect, yeah, I know I got flaws, but I stayed when it hurt. I was fighting your wars. Now you saying sorry like it's changing the past, but some things don't heal when you cut them that fast. You had me at my lowest, didn't reach out a hand. Now you watching me rise, trying to understand. Funny how it works when I'm finally gone. Now you singing my pain inside of my song.
I was begging for love, you were closing the door. Now you knocking back, but I don't live there no more. I forgave you inside, but I won't go back, 'cause the trust we had, yeah, it faded to black. I hear you now, but it's too late to fix. You gave me your heart, I was scared of it. I didn't know how to love you right, so I let you go. Yeah, I lost that fight. You call my name, I feel that pain, but we won't ever be the same again. I see your tears through every line. I hear you now,
But you're no longer mine.
if I could go back, I'd hold you close, but I let you slip when you needed me most. Now your voice just echoes in my mind, and I'm too late every single time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you hear me now.
yeah.
It's funny, 'cause I stopped talking
A long time ago.